Subtraction starts today. Take some numbers all away. Tony learns a simple trick. Count what's left nice and quick. Fun in every way. 2 apples, 1 away. 1 is left for us to say. Tony smiles and shows it clear. Learning math without a fear. Easy work and play. 2 are left just where they are. Tony counts them with delight. Everything is going right. Learning like a star. Take away and count again. Numbers change from now to then. Tony watches 1 go by. Fun for every friend. What is left? Let's count it now. Tony shows and see what stays. Learning math in simple ways. Smile upon his brow. Play a game and solve it right. Tony learns with pure delight. Pick the answer, try your best. Math can be a fun-filled test, shining big and bright. Pick the answer, try your best. Math can be a fun-filled test, shining big and bright. Think about the numbers here. Take away and make it clear. Tony uses brain so fast, learning skills that always last. Smart ideas appear. Take away and count again. Numbers change from now to then. Tony watches 1 go by. Fun for every friend. What is left? Let's count it now. Tony shows and see what stays. Learning math in simple ways. Smile upon his brow. Golden star for work so great. Tony learns and celebrates. Subtraction makes him proud. Cheering from the always way. Keep on learning every day. Tony waves and says goodbye. See you soon, we'll always try. Hip, hip, hooray!
Numbers written on the wall. Tony wonders what they call. 2 times 3, what is it all? He feels confused and very small, but he will learn it all. Teacher shows him 2 and 2. Add them up, it's easy to do. Add them up, it's easy to do. Tony listens, learns it through. Math is fun when it is new. Now he has a clue. 2 groups, 3 in each. Count them all, it's in his reach. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. Learning numbers with smart tricks. Now he learns it quick. 2 times 3 is number 6. Tony smiles, he got the trick. Writing fast with pencil stick. Learning math is really quick. Learning math is really quick. This is fun and slick. 3 times 2, now try again. Tony counts with focus then. 1 by 1 from 1 to 10. 1 by 1 from 1 to 10. He solves it, boy, without strain. Smart boy with a brain. Multiplying is just add. Repeat numbers, don't feel sad. Tony smiles, feeling glad. Math is not so hard or bad. Math is not so hard or bad. Best fun he ever had. 4 times 2, let's see now. Tony solves it with a wow. Confidence is on his brow. Learning how you're smart somehow. Questions coming fast fast and quick. Tony answers every trick. Brain is now his favorite pick. He's learning very quick. Holding trophy shining bright. Tony beams with pure delight. Tony beams with pure delight. Learning gives him done just right. Learning gives him happy light. Victory inside.
Waving with a happy cheer, all the answers now are clear. Tony smiles ear to ear.
This you next time here.
Division starts today. Share the numbers all the way. Share the numbers all the way. Tony learns to split them right. Equal parts feel just right. Fun in every way. 2 apples 2 friends share. 1 for each, that's fair. Tony smiles and shows it true. Division made for me and you. Kindness everywhere. 4 bananas split in 2. 2 for me and 2 for you. 2 for me and 2 for you. Tony counts them with delight. Learning math feels just right. Easy math to do. Sharing things the equal way makes us happy every day. Tony gives to all around. Smiles and joy are always found. Let's all learn and play. Make small groups and count them right. Divisioning makes it clear and bright. Tony sorts them one by one. Learning math is lots of fun. Shining like a light. Play a game and try your best. Division is a fun test. Tony picks the answer fast. Learning skills that always last. Better than the rest. Sharing things the equal way makes us happy every day. Tony gives to all around. Smiles and joy are always found. Let's all learn and play. Think about the numbers here. Split them up and make it clear. Tony uses brain so smart. Learning math is like an art. Ideas now appear. Solve it quickly, do it right. Tony shines so smart and bright. Divide the numbers nice and clean. Best learning ever seen. Future full of light. Golden star for work so great. Tony learns and celebrates. Tony learns and celebrates proud. Cheering from the happy crowd. Success will always wait. Keep on learning every day. Divide the numbers all the way. Tony waves and says goodbye. See you soon, we'll always try. Math time starts today. Tony shows the fun way. Numbers dancing all around. Learning joy can be found. Hip, hip, hooray. Test the street count 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Tony helps the numbers thrive. Counting things so bright and neat. Learning feels us like a treat. Makes our brain alive. 6 to 10 we count with cheer. Tony shows the numbers clear. Step by step we learn it all. Big or small or very tall. Fun is always near. 2 plus 2 is easy now. Tony shows us when and how. Add the numbers, get the score. Math is fun and nothing more. Take a learning bow. Take one toy and see what's left. Take one toy and see what's left. Tony learns the clever math gift. Minus helps us understand. Numbers working hand in hand. Learning is the best. Think and solve the number game. Tony never feels the same. Smart ideas come to mind. Math is fun and very kind. Learning brings him fame. Pick the answer nice and right. Tony shines so big and bright. Choose the number, don't be late. Math is really, really great. Everything feels light. Count it fast without delay. Tony learns a better way. Numbers flying in the air. Learning fun is everywhere. Learning fun is everywhere. Every single day. Golden star for numbers bright. Tony learns with pure delight. Math is fun in every way, helping him grow every day. Shining in the light. Keep on learning every day. Numbers guide you on your way. Tony waves and smiles wide. Math is always by your side. Hip, hip, hooray.
Tony learns a B key. Numbers 1, 2, 3. Letters dance and numbers play. Learning fun every day. Smart and happy he can be. Apple starts with letter A. Ball begins with B, they say. Tony points and learns it fast. Knowledge grows and always lasts. ABC makes learning play. Counting apples one by one. Tony thinks it's so much fun. 1 to 5 he learns with ease. Happy mind and happy knees. Learning never feels undone. C is for the cat, so cute. D is for the drum to beat. Tony smiles and says them loud. Feeling smart and feeling proud. Letters make him feel so sweet. Numbers jumping left and right. Tony solves them in delight. 1 + 2 makes number 3. Learning math so happily. Everything feels just so right. Tracing letters on the board. Tony learns and feels rewarded. A to Z, he writes them slow. Every day he starts to grow. Bright ideas are now stored. What comes next he stops and sees. Thinking under learning trees. Thinking under learning trees. 1, 2, 3, and what is more? Tony opens learning doors. Smartness flows just like a breeze. Number game is fun to play. Tony taps them every day. Quick and fast he stands it all. Smart skills are on the way. ABC and numbers too. Tony smart with every try. Reaching up so very and true.